This video is going to be about 9.4, section 9.4 from your book, Solving Algebra Word Problems with Strip Diagrams. So in one of my previous videos, I showed you a representation of algebra using a pan balance and keeping both sides of the equation balanced. Strip diagrams or tape diagrams, it's just another way to represent algebra problems. And this time we're going to work with word problems, everybody's favorite. So I'm going to split my page in half here. And on this side, I'm going to do the algebra. And on this side, I'm going to do the strip diagrams or tape diagrams, as some people call them. All right, so let's do the strip diagrams first, and then I'll show you how it relates to the algebra. So here's our problem. On a farm, 1/7 of the sheep are gray, 2/7 of the sheep are black, and the rest of the sheep are white. There are 36 white sheep. How many sheep in all are on the farm? So we want to represent all our sheep with a rectangle. This is where the strip comes in. It looks like a strip of paper. Some people use a strip of paper, but I'm just going to draw it here. And because we are dealing with our sheep represented in sevenths, I'm going to divide my strip diagram into 7 sort of equal pieces. Let's see how I can do this. So we're going to agree that these pieces are all equal. I know, I kind of messed up here, but you know, sometimes we make mistakes in math class and we just fix them. All right, so now I should have 7 sort of equal pieces on my strip diagram, and this is going to represent all the sheep. Now, my problem tells me that some of the sheep are gray. In fact, 1/7 are gray. So I'm going to color in one of my boxes, one of my 7 boxes is gray. That represents the gray sheep. Then I know that 2/7 are black. So I'm going to color in 2 of my boxes, 2 out of the 7 boxes represent the black sheep. Now, what do I have left? I have left whatever is left. This is the white sheep. And my problem tells me that these 4 boxes represent the white sheep and that there are 36 white sheep. So I've got 4 boxes representing 36 white sheep. I want to know how much is in each box, right? How many sheep are represented by each box? So I've got 4 boxes representing 36 sheep. So I'm going to take my 36 sheep and divide them evenly into the 4 boxes, into 4 pieces. 36 divided by 4. I think that's 9. So that means I have 9 sheep, 9 white sheep in each of those boxes. And because I already said that each one of my pieces in my diagram is equal in size, I also have 9 sheep in each of the other boxes. Okay, so we want to know how many sheep in all on the farm. If there are 9 sheep in each one of our pieces and we have 7 pieces, that looks like there are 63 sheep in total on the farm. Now, let's see how that relates to algebra. Okay, So here, what I could do is I could say, all right, I have these sheep on the farm, and I'm going to say that there are 7 pieces of sheep. One piece is 1/7 of the sheep are gray. 2/7, are black sheep, and then 36 sheep are white sheep. So what I could say is 1/7 plus 2/7 plus some number of white sheep should give me a total of 7/7. So I've got 3/7 plus my white sheep should give me 7/7. So that I can just think of this, or I could subtract 3/7 from both sides using my algebra, and I find out that my white sheep are 4/7. Now I go back up to my 36 white sheep. So 4/7 of the sheep are white. So I know that 4/7 of the whole sheep equals 36. Now I could divide both sides by 4/7. Divide by 4/7. That is the same as multiplying. Then I will find out how many sheep I have. 36 times 7/4. You want to remind yourself about how to divide fractions. Dividing a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So here I go, 36. I'm going to use my multiplying. I'm going to simplify before I multiply. 4 goes into 36 9 times. So 9 times 7 is 63, and I ended up with the same answer, 63 sheep. So hopefully that helps you to see how a strip diagram here can be helpful in algebra. I'm going to do another problem, but in a different video.